Good morning. My name is Miss Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher working primarily with middle school students this year. And we are making our way through the CS Discoveries curriculum on code.org. Today we are going to tackle lesson 25 on functions. So we're going to get started the same way that we normally do. That was my alarm going off. We're going to get started the same way we normally do, which is to look at the lesson resources. So let's open that up. All right, so we have some new introduced code today. And let's see, we have vocabulary. So what is a function? A function is a named bit of programming instructions. I'm going to break it down even more. A function is a shortcut. All right. So like, let's say you want to make it from your house to the school, and you know that you have to walk 5 blocks, you have to turn left, you have to walk 2 more blocks, you have to turn right, then you have to walk a block, you have to turn another right, and etc. so forth and so on. Imagine taking all of those instructions step by step by step by step, putting them in a block of code, and then instead of saying each step, all you have to say is, I walked to school. That is exactly what a function is and does. And so with that, we're going to get into this and see if we can get this done. So we're going to start with level 1, which is predict. It says, oh, there's a video to watch, so make sure you watch that before you start this. I promise you, it is very, very, very much going to help you. All right, so pause this, watch that, and then come back. And welcome back. So let's do this. Okay, so it says functions. This program creates several functions called draw background, draw planet, and draw star, and then calls these functions in order to draw what is inside of them. When you run the program, what do you think you will see on the screen? So do this. Read the program and discuss with your partner what will be drawn on the screen and why. Record your prediction in the box below. Run the program to see what this program does. Tip, run the program multiple times. All right. So we have our 3 functions, our 3 shortcuts: draw background, draw planet, draw planet. So function, draw background. All right, so we have no stroke, background black, draw star. So I think that this is going to draw a black background. I think that draw background is going to draw a black background with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars on it. All right, so I think that that's how we're going to start. And then draw a star. So the stars will be yellow and placed randomly on the screen. And I say that because I'm looking at this. So we know that they're going to be yellow. And when it says ellipse random random, this means X and Y. So it could be anywhere on the screen from top to bottom, side to side. And then draw planet, so fill with a random color, and then draw a circle somewhere on the screen. So I also think there will be 2 planets, because it did say draw planet, somewhere on the screen. And the planets will be different colors. Let's see if I'm right. All right, so we're going to run it. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, randomly drawn, 2 planets. If we reset and run it again, different color planets now, different spots for everything. That's exactly what I thought was going to happen. So with that, we're going to click finish, and I will see you on level 2.